Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is ended, fight is cold and love is tragic. The day you fell in love again. Every time she would cry on my shoulder, I was here all along trying to save her. You asked me to come back, but we're not quite alright. Every time she would cry on my shoulder, I was here all along trying to save her. And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess it didn't count. I'm here for you, you know, even if I'm not around. You can wake me up, I will try my best to make you feel alright. I know what you deserve, but no one showed you that. You deserve the world, and I know that love will someday come around.
This is our last day camping here in Tanzania. The first 2 nights we stayed in a hotel called Simba Lodge, and now here for the last day, you know, trying to be in the wild and camp here. Setting in the tent right now, and yeah, let's see what the adventure has in store.
Flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down. We call home. The clock is ticking. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home. See the ones we love.